Now, let's understand what cloud computing is. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources, and these include complete network topologies and systems, servers as we know it today, and also one of the fundamental building blocks of cloud. Storage is another important subject for cloud as we have growing storage needs. Applications are what we actually build to make use of cloud environments. And finally, services. These services are basically everything from storage to computing power or databases, simply anything that we currently use with any legacy architecture. A typical cloud environment can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort. This is one of the key aspects of cloud environments. You don't have to be dealing with intricate details of the configuration, and you shouldn't be, so cloud has us covered there. Cloud computing provides high levels of abstractions from computation to storage, and as a real-life example, computation can be an actual CPU power and storage may be a solid-state disk or SSD. Cloud computing at the minimum level of understanding can be thought of as our hard drives, databases, or even CPUs are being served to us through a platform with on-demand access whenever we need them without requiring us to have physical access to them. Cloud computing has some essential characteristics, service models, and deployment models. We'll go into details for each of these subjects, but essentially, cloud computing has basic service models as either public, private, or hybrid, so you can pick and choose as to whether your needs may be. Let's discover the essential characteristics of cloud computing in the next video.